poultry farming kicks off at breeder farms, where the focus is on strong genetics and robust health. This foundation is crucial as it leads to the production of high-quality fertile eggs, ensuring a steady supply of both broilers and egg layers. By breeding healthier chickens, we accelerate growth and elevate meat quality, ultimately benefiting farmers and consumers alike. This also reduces the reliance on antibiotics, effectively addressing vital health concerns in our industry. Moving on to egg collection and handling, this step is critical. Here, fertilized eggs are meticulously gathered and transported to hatcheries, emphasizing the importance of monitoring conditions such as temperature and humidity to ensure success. Next, we introduce the candling process, where eggs are illuminated to identify viable ones. This step is paramount, ensuring that only the healthiest eggs advance to the next incubation stage, fostering optimal chick development. We take it a step further with advanced machinery used to vaccinate eggs, bolstering the immune systems of chicks before they even hatch. This proactive strategy minimizes the need for health interventions down the line, setting the stage for success. After hatching, the work doesn't stop. Workers meticulously sort chicks to guarantee the formation of strong, disease-resistant flocks. This careful selection process is essential to promoting overall health in the realm of poultry farming. Broiler chickens thrive in controlled environments, fueled by a specific diet designed to promote rapid growth and health, allowing them to reach market weight in just 6 to 7 weeks. This rigorous management directly contributes to the quality of meat we take pride in. In our pursuit of excellence, recent advancements in natural feed additives and probiotics have emerged. These innovations not only enhance bird immunity but also significantly reduce antibiotic use, aligning poultry farming with sustainable practices that are crucial for the contemporary landscape of production. When it comes to harvesting, we prioritize animal welfare. Skilled workers are dedicated to minimizing stress during capture and transport. This meticulous attention to detail translates to superior meat quality, free from stress-induced hormones. In the US, the egg production process showcases automated systems and precise feed formulations, all geared towards ensuring the health and productivity of layer hens. This reflects a responsive approach to consumer welfare demands, adapting to the needs of the market. Innovations like probiotics in feed stand at the forefront of our industry, effectively strengthening birds while curbing antibiotic usage. This highlights our unwavering commitment to maintaining health despite the challenges posed by disease outbreaks. Processing plants embody efficiency and compassion, utilizing humane stunning and precision methods to prepare poultry without compromise. Quality control is ensured through advanced imaging systems and rigorous inspections, setting the bar high.
The chilling process is an indispensable step, employing techniques like air blast chilling.
This effectively reduces bacterial growth while maintaining the freshness of meat post-processing, highlighting its critical role in preserving overall quality. Preventive measures against diseases, including bird flu, are non-negotiable for the stability of our supply chains and public health. Adhering to strict sanitation protocols is essential to mitigate risks during poultry processing, safeguarding our industry. The evolution of the poultry industry is marked by constant innovation and efficiency, working tirelessly to meet the rising demand while ensuring high-quality products. This journey from hatcheries to grocery shelves is a testament to our unwavering commitment to excellence. The journey starts with a powerful choice: selecting robust, healthy chickens from top-notch farms. These birds are transported with care, ensuring they arrive stress-free at the processing plant for a thorough health check. This vigilant approach guarantees that only the finest chickens make it to the processing stage. As we step into the heart of the operation, advanced machinery takes center stage during critical phases such as slaughtering, plucking, and cleaning. This technology not only minimizes pain for the chickens but also streamlines the processing, showcasing our commitment to modern, humane practices. Moving forward, vacuum packaging technology comes into play, extending the shelf life of chicken products while locking in freshness, flavor, and nutritional benefits. This cutting-edge process is vital for maintaining product quality as it rolls out across distribution channels. In this arena, food hygiene and safety emerge as non-negotiable pillars. Processing plants operate with rigorous cleaning protocols and a strict commitment to personal hygiene standards among employees. This steadfast focus ensures that every chicken product meets the highest quality and safety benchmarks. Processed chicken products, from frozen nuggets to seasoned wings, deliver convenience without compromising nutritional value. These offerings cater to the demands of busy consumers seeking quick yet satisfying meal alternatives. Moreover, maximizing raw materials stands as an essential strategy, minimizing waste by transforming byproducts like bones and organs into valuable ingredients. This approach underscores the commitment to sustainability within the chicken processing industry. As we continue, the integration of blockchain technology steps onto the scene, enhancing transparency throughout the food supply chain. This innovation empowers consumers to trace product origins and ensure safety compliance with ease. Equally important is the vital role of human involvement in automation. Skilled staff are indispensable for overseeing operations and maintaining quality control, especially in light of the global health challenges we face. Sustainability initiatives within processing plants are transforming the landscape, featuring waste recycling and the adoption of renewable energy. These efforts not only mitigate environmental impact but also illustrate a strong commitment to corporate social responsibility. Regional culinary influences shape the variety of processed chicken products, leading to beloved offerings like honey grilled and Korean spicy chicken wings. These flavors resonate with diverse consumer tastes and preferences. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing production processes by predicting challenges and proposing instant solutions. This technology ensures that product quality remains uncompromised throughout storage and transport. Marketing strategies highlight product safety and sustainability, leveraging digital tools like QR codes. These efforts sharpen brand image and cultivate consumer trust through a commitment to transparency. Investment in research is crucial, focusing on developing chicken breeds that adapt to climate change while maintaining high productivity with reduced resource use. This innovation is key to fostering sustainable practices in the industry. Automation and robotics are paving the way in processing plants, enhancing efficiency, reducing errors, and ensuring product quality. This evolution advances safety standards within the chicken processing sector. Lastly, circular production systems in chicken processing aim to minimize waste by reusing resources and transforming byproducts into animal feed or biofuels. This compelling approach champions environmental sustainability, highlighting our responsibility to the planet. Every day, millions of chickens are processed in a highly automated system, meeting huge global food demand. But behind these huge numbers is a complex process, from farming to processing, raising many questions about the efficiency, quality, and impact of this industry. What do you think about this production process? Did anything surprise you? Please leave your opinion in the comments section below. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue discovering interesting facts about the food industry. Let's learn together and gain deeper insight into the world of food production that we consume every day.